People, some real ESCO. Real Jamaican Erin Spratt. ESCO. What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
Soulfly fam, yeah. You know it's a boy Henry. You know so we're there. From your sweetness, you know so we're back with another video. And today we just do something simple Jamaican. Simple. We are just showing up to do some ESCO sauce. Escovitch sauce. You know? So we are used 2 big onions. This is what? Half pound of carrot. And we got a nice country pepper, real country pepper people. And we just for garnish, we just put little sweet pepper in there. Scotch bonnet. Dana, leave me alone. Dana says Scotch bonnet. Then this no countryside the pepper grow. A countryside the pepper grow. The pepper grow a countryside, that's why I say countryside. Not the pepper in the bottle I talk people. So we are julienne the carrot. We are slice the onion. So on just stay tuned. Check out the video. Alright, we are julienne with carrot, so so when I make this pickle, can I put another buckle on for like how long I can put it down for then? I see people put on them pickle for like a couple of months. That's a couple of months now.
Yes.
Alright, so people, the ESCO sauce, and make it ESCO sauce. ESCO sauce, you know, only can use it on a chicken. Can use it on chicken. I mean, I do want to get food on my phone. Go for the ESCO. You can cut the onion either which way you want it. You don't want it this way or this, or you want it the other way. Then, so people don't have to put on with copper gear. People have a people. You can then pour into a buckle to save, or pour over desired food, either fish or chicken. And can check out the next video where I'm going to show you how to do escovitch chicken breast. For some real ESCO, real Jamaican herring sprat.
This is a message for all my black TikTokers. There ain't enough of us on the For You page, so use this sound and say the word Black Power, and the people watching will give you a like and a follow. Wakanda forever.